Here we have the gorgeous Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Dynamic HSE. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre D200 diesel engine alongside a 9-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in the gorgeous Corinthian Bronze and has some fantastic spec, including these LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, 20-inch alloy wheels with a contrasting gloss dark grey diamond turned finish, and even privacy glass and a black roof to finish off its sleek exterior. Heading to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, you have an electronically powered tailgate. Inside you easily have enough storage space for all of your personal items, 2 large suitcases or even a set of golf clubs. You do however have the option to fold your rear seats for further capacity if necessary. Hopping into the back of the vehicle, in the centre you'll find your rear vents and USB-C port. You have Meridian sound system for the highest quality listening experience, and here are your beautifully designed contrasting perforated leather seats with beneficial ISOFIX points and even a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders. Now hopping into the front, you have the same interior environment continue along with chrome features. Now panning towards your fully electronically adjustable heated memory front seats, you gain the additional benefit of a generously sized sliding panoramic sunroof, idyllic for summer days to give your vehicle an open feel. On your full contrasting leather steering wheel, you have your phone book to make and take those hands-free calls, voice recognition system, lane assist, speed limiter, and even a heated steering wheel, perfect for winter mornings. You can adjust the settings just above on your interactive driver display, where you'll find a range of options with multiple drop-downs to suit your personal preference. This vehicle has done 5 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your main display, you're up to date with the latest infotainment features, including your 3D surround camera system, valet mode, allowing you to keep all of your personal details safely hidden away if and when necessary, or even your voice recognition system, allowing you to keep your head up and eyes on the road when making any commands. And as you can see, much more. You can individually change the temperature within the cabin for both driver and passenger, or opt to sync this as a pair. Dictate the direction of airflow, and of course adjust the airflow setting itself. At the push of a button you can find your heated seats, again individually adjustable for both driver and passenger, and finally this model does come with terrain response, making it perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter.